Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 12. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to add tens to a two-digit number. So looking at this, we have 23 plus 10. And we're going to be drawing a picture to solve for this. So we're going to be drawing 23 on one side and then 10 on the other. So we know that 23 has two tens and three ones. And then we're going to do a 10. Because we're adding these together. So now what we're going to do is we have to just count this to figure out how many are all together. So now we count all of our tens first, and then we go back to our ones, and then we count our ones with that number. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay? So whenever you're looking at this, one thing that you can really notice is that it was 23. And then the only thing that changed was this 2 from the 23 became a 3 because you just added one 10 to it. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.